I think just setting goals for yourself and, you know, knowing that you have to stay focused in order to reach that goal. But
here we go now. Grown and sexy, this a new bop. How do you want it? Coming with that Tupac. Eyeball it, remote to that true documentary. How I come from a cool spot. BK, they all wanna play. Oak trees, brownstones, where they wanna stay. No logic, no time, no deposit, no rhyme. I handle issues like a crime boss. Get that problem there on a permanent time off. You should see me in the morning, beat the worm to it. Nothing too hard to start, going to learn through it. Don't kill time, breathe life in the moment. My word, I can own it. Hate, I don't condone it. Got my boo thing, listening to Wu-Tang. Like Lil Mama, bring the drama with my shoe gang.
Women producing, children growing. Men go work, but some go stealing. Corner hustling, friends forsaken. Everyone's got to make a living. Everyone's got to make a living.
I'm so city, the flow goes with me. Wherever I be, I crush shows like Whitney. My view is panoramic. Scammers can't stand it. No opening to take advantage. No chink in the armor, no way that you can harm her. Protected by the God that I honor. Dotting my I's and crossing my T's. Land on high seas, not another like me. Don't get mad at me, but at the gallery, I'm the live art that they'd all rather see. Me and the Jag that I rode in on. Straight up green status, we hit strong. Tunnel vision trying to make it to that bright light. The writing's on the wall, see I'm the highlight. I'm never high, but I like the finer things. So I guess in the end you could say I live the high life.
Women producing, children growing. Men go work, but some go stealing. Corner hustling, friends forsaken. Everyone's got to make a living. Everyone's got to make a living.
Once upon a time, people walk the scene. In the project that they call for green. To live the young man, Cinderella's his name. To make it interesting, it's me, Dana.